everyone, my name is Adinda Nur Faradila. I'm from Poltekkes Semarang, majoring in Applied Nutrition, NIM 41. In this video, I will explain how the mobile application works for asthmatic and diet for asthma. Let's go! Asthma is a chronic disease that often occurs in children in development countries. The prevalence of asthma in children and adults has increased in recent decades. The prevalence of asthma in the world is estimated at 7.2%, namely 6% in adults and then 10% in children. Asthma is a definition, a condition of disorder in the respiratory system that causes sufferer to experience wheezing, shortness of breath, coughing, and tightness in the chest, especially at night or early morning. According to the Canadian Lung Association, asthma can arise due to reaction to triggers that cause contraction and causes that result in airway inflammation or hypersensitive reactions. Both of these factors will cause a recurrence of asthma, and as a result sufferer will lack air so that it is difficult to breathe. Medically, asthma is difficult to cure. It's just that this disease can be controlled so it doesn't interfere with daily activity. Asthma control is done by avoiding trigger factors. Asthma control can be done by maintaining a healthy diet, one of which is by consuming food high in magnesium. The results show that people who consume more than 100 milligrams of magnesium had better airways and lungs. In children with growing egg fish, oil which is rich in omega-3 is also believed to cure asthma. Patients with asthma should also avoid food additive and preservative because they have been shown to trigger asthma. Substances like monosodium glutamate and sulfate present in such additive and preservative can make asthma symptom worse. In the era of the Industry Revolution 4.0, or in condition of the COVID-19 pandemic like this, some people use technology such as mobile application that can help reduce the number of asthma in Indonesia and improve their quality of life. The mobile application is software included in mobile health technology using the internet, which aims to improve health behavior, healthcare service, and health research. In a perspective article by Heigl and Patrick, he explained that the effectiveness of using mobile application to change behavior. One example is the behavior of eating patterns is still relative. One of the mobile applications that can be used for people with asthma is the Food Wiki, which is designed based on semantic search, fit, and inference technique to check the site effect of food additive from packaged food that are not compatible with the risk of asthma. The Food Wiki knowledge base implicated four main classes. That is, number one, people, disease, product, and food ingredient or compound. The Food Wiki application implements semantic web technique that allow content on the web to be better understood by computer and allow better cooperation between computer and human. Okay, so in this video, I will explain a few steps using the Food Wiki application. Number one, download the application first on the cell phone. Number two, and then you log in. After you log in, the system file needs to scan the barcode of the food products that is tagged on the product packaging. The barcode contains the EAN number of the food product. And then number three, the system will get all the list of material and energy details of the product scanned via the EAN number from the database. After that, the system is connected to the Food Search web service of the Ministry of Food, the Republic of Turkey, Agriculture and Livestock. And then number five, the system starts looking for side effects of food additive and energy breakdown according to consumer health conditions such as food allergies, heart disease, asthma, hypertension, cholesterol, diabetes, and then age. So, a set of knowledge-based rules. And then number six, after that, the system will again find the reason for intolerance to the rules after matching the CMA according to the nutritional sensitivity of the consumer food. Okay, so my conclusion, this application is designed to ensure that the selected product will not cause any side effect for asthma or other disease by using a semantic approach or scanning a barcode on packaging food product. Because basically asthma also has an intolerance to foods containing monosodium glutamate.